doing? How you feeling? How you been? What's up, LK Clan? It's your girl, Keisha Michelle.
And Lewis.
And today we are back with another Litty Big. And who else do we have with us? We have Dallas and Landon, Cody and Chloe. And what are we doing today, y'all?
Making snow.
We making snow? Or are we making snowmen? Snowmen and snow gals. Yes. So, we are in North Carolina, and we got like, woo, bless you. We got like mad snow outside.
Yeah, we got like 12 to 13 inches of snow.
Yeah, so it's been snowing. It's been snowing a lot here, and a few of the kids do not feel too good, so I didn't want to take them outside in the snow. And on top of that, we don't even have snow suits for them because they were literally all sold out in all of the stores. So we were like, maybe we could bring the snow in to the kids since we can't take the kids out to the snow. That's gonna be fun, huh?
That's a good idea. And I'm guessing, you know, you guys are pretty much aware of who's going out there to the snow.
Yep. So we are gonna fill this bucket. We are gonna fill this bucket up with snow. Babe is gonna take this out there, and he was so kind enough to go and fill this bucket up with snow. And so basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna have like a, yeah, it is cold.
It's cold to everybody.
It is. I felt it when you opened the door. So we are gonna do a snowman war or competition.
Yes.
So it's gonna be like the girls against the boys. So that's gonna be dope. Our snowman is gonna win, so. Anyways, are you ready to go get the snow, Daddy? You are?
Yes.
Are you ready? Okay.
It's cold. I'm ready to get back in.
All right, y'all. We got to cheer Daddy on. Say, go, Daddy. Go, Daddy. Go. Go.
We're going.
Daddy.
Here goes nothing.
Go. Go, Daddy. Say, go, Daddy. Go, Daddy.
All right, so I'm going out. See? Crap load of snow. I think I'm gonna grab it from the back because everybody's been letting their dogs piss and poop everywhere. So the snow is actually kind of hard. This is nice. Like, as you can see, this snow is nice, but the bottom of it is, that is nice. Okay. Really cold.
Babe said we have 3 minutes.
No, we got 3 minutes.
You sure you don't want to do 5?
Let's do 4.
4 minutes?
4 minutes.
Okay, 4 minutes. We got 4 minutes to build a snowman.
Yep.
How many minutes do we have to get our items together?
We can bring 2 items.
2 items? No, because we got to do the buttons and the eyes and nose and arms. I thought we could use anything in the house.
Okay.
So we can use anything in the house.
All right, that's good.
And how many minutes do we have to get those items though?
It's got to be within those 4 minutes.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
No. Really?
Yeah, the snow gonna melt here soon.
Bad. Okay. Okay. So we got our snow.
4 minutes total.
Are we taking the kids with us to get this stuff? I think we should.
No, we can bring it back.
So we're gonna leave them here and let them play with the snow.
I got strategy. See how he's packing that snow? He's gonna be good at packing.
Is that right? Okay. It's okay. We good.
5 minutes.
Dallas, you gonna hold it down for us?
5 minutes.
Okay. 5 minutes.
Oh, so we can't help him actually build it?
Yeah. We're gonna build it together. Stop we're gonna build it together. But I'm telling you, we need more minutes than that. But okay, come on, what we doing?
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Let's see. Come on, man, attack it down like this. Look, go like this. Your mama being extra. She about to run out of time because you actually got to build the snowman.
Baby, we got 2 minutes to build a snowman, okay? 2 minutes. All right.
No, get your
Look, no. That's theirs. Leave that alone. Look, we gotta. Can we put this on the floor right
Yeah, that's
here?
what I'm saying.
Okay, we're gonna sit it on the floor. Right here. We gotta build a snowman. Whew. Here, help me pack. Help me pack. You gotta do this, okay? Help me pack. Put her shoes on. Put her shoes on. That's how we should.
Thank you.
Woo. What about me? Are we doing a good job too, boo? You gotta do it fast? Okay. Don't mess it up, baby. Woo. Okay. Don't touch it. Oh, you cheat. With this one, we gonna
Joke on that.
win. Because
Yeah, we might go a little bit over time. We're definitely going over time.
don't touch it, Dallas, okay? Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
We gotta give ourselves another 5 minutes. So the timer did stop. We're gonna give ourselves another 5 minutes.
Okay.
Stop it, and then we're going to go back to the timer. Hold on. And we're gonna push start. So another 5 minutes.
Alright.
So that was technically 10 minutes. Oh, it's really cold over here.
Yeah, it's wet, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so we gotta show y'all in bed. Alright, y'all. You so cheated, bruh.
Who?
You.
Wow.
You cheated. You got the whole snowman, bruh. Okay. We are live, y'all. And we about to ask Facebook who won this snowman competition, okay? Don't mess that. What's your snowman's name, babe?
His name is.
What's his name? Peter. He looks like a Peter.
It's definitely Peter.
He looks like a Peter. What's her name? What you want to name her? We'll call her Dazzle, okay? Okay, so her name is Dazzle, and we have Peter. So we have Peter and Dazzle. Okay, so what we need you guys to do is let us know down below in the comment section who you think won. Okay.
Is it the boys? Is it the boys?
Is it Peter?
Or is it?
Or Dazzle?
Or is it the girls?
I want y'all to know though, for real, this snowman does not have it don't have a face and it don't have a head.
It does. This is clearly his head.
Nah.
Don't be insensitive to his head. Everybody, all snowmen matter.
Okay, but that ain't really a snowman for real.
It is.
It's not.
What is it?
It's a
What is
catfish. It's a catfish.
Well, what is that?
She is true. She's living her truth. She don't need makeup. She don't need fake hair. She's bald.
Don't touch it.
She decided to live her truth, shave all of her hair off.
Alright, and that's what you live with.
And she's standing by that. And that's what it is. It is
She's
what it is.
barely standing by it.
Okay, nah, she's standing strong. She walks in strength and in dignity, and she's
Anyway.
without fear of the future. She even got shoes. Y'all see that? She got shoes. So what?
My boy don't need shoes. He's blind.
Nah,
He's blind.
He gonna get pneumonia.
He's blind, baby.
Going outside with no shoes on. Ah! She's still standing, baby. They may knock her down, but she's still standing. She's still standing. Okay? By the support of her community. She is still standing. If you enjoyed this video, guys, be sure to go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already.
Turn on those post notifications.
What is you doing?
And if you want to post notification shout out, I don't know what you do.
So if you want a post notification shout out, all you have to do is be sure that you are subscribed.
Oh yes.
Turn on your post notifications.
Turn on the notifications.
And let me know down below in the comment section that you have done those things and that you would like a post notification shout out. We actually don't have a post notification shout out for today, I don't think.
It's all good.
But if we do, I'll be sure to leave it in the video somewhere. Once again, it's your girl, Fishy Michelle and
Lewis.
And the crew.
And the crew.
And the crew. Let's hit that outro.
Let's hit it.
When she calls me, baby, you know I don't pull out when we loving. Touching and kissing and licking. No one's leaving your panties or something now. In my car, in my crib, I'm shining with this gold grill. I could give a what, how you feel. That booty and them tattoos on the